South Africa moves closer to VAR rollout with 90 million rand budget commitment in its clearest indication yet that video assistant referee VAR technology will be introduced in South African football. The Department of Sports has confirmed a 90 million rand budget allocation to establish the long-awaited system. The announcement came in a written response to a set of parliamentary questions posed by Rise Mzansi, Member of Parliament, and Chief Organizer Makashule Gana, a member of the Parliamentary Portfolio Committee on Sport. The questions covered a wide scope, including the projected total cost of implementing VAR, whether goal line technology will be included, and which companies had expressed interest in supplying the system. In the department's reply, officials stated that approximately 90 million rand has been earmarked for the project, though they anticipate the final cost may cost in below that figure. The response said the process to procure the system and all related details has not yet commenced between the department and SAFA. However, a proposal evaluation committee is being put together by SAFA and they will evaluate the proposals that were submitted to SAFA most likely in early June. While no contracts have yet been signed, the department said it plans to engage with the South African Football Association to finalize all outstanding matters and formalize an agreement for implementation. Maintenance responsibilities, another point of inquiry, remain undecided. The department clarified that this deal, along with others relating to operations and system specifications, will be included in a forthcoming memorandum of agreement. However, they did not confirm that the current vision for VAR in South Africa does not include goal line technology. SAFA, which briefed the Sports Committee on its 2023-2024 annual report, has reportedly received around a dozen proposals from potential service providers. These submissions are yet to be reviewed. Minister Basin McKenzie has publicly pledged that VAR will be in place for the Premier Soccer League by start of the new season in August. With a dedicated budget and formal preparations underway, South African football may finally be on the verge of joining the global standard in match officiating. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.